Unveiling Insights, the power of a flash of insight. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning journey. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, a flash of insight. This expression is a gem in the English language, representing moments of sudden clarity and understanding. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and how it can enrich your English communication skills. Let's light up our linguistic landscape together. A flash of insight refers to a sudden and clear understanding of something complex or confusing. It's like the moment when a light bulb turns on above your head, illuminating an idea or solution that was previously hidden in the shadows of your mind. This phrase captures the essence of those eureka moments, where things suddenly make perfect sense. The phrase originates from the idea of something being as quick and bright as a flash of light. It's often used in contexts where someone solves a problem, understands a complicated concept, or comes up with an innovative idea unexpectedly. A flash of insight can happen anywhere, while studying, during a conversation, or even in the quiet moments of reflection. Let's bring a flash of insight to life with real-world examples. While working on a challenging math problem, Sarah had a flash of insight and suddenly understood how to solve it. In the middle of a heated debate, John had a flash of insight that helped both sides reach a common understanding. An artist might experience a flash of insight that leads to the creation of a masterpiece. Incorporating a flash of insight into your vocabulary can add depth to your conversations and writings. Use it to describe moments when you or someone else experiences sudden understanding or when sharing stories of creative or intellectual breakthroughs. It's a powerful way to convey the beauty of those moments when clarity emerges from confusion. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, a flash of insight, and how it encapsulates those brilliant moments of sudden understanding. Whether in academic pursuits, creative endeavors, or daily problem solving, recognizing and appreciating these flashes can inspire us all. Thank you for joining us today, and may your learning journey be filled with many insightful flashes. Until next time, keep exploring the richness of the English language.